What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you guys have been keeping up with the videos and you guys have been staying up to date with everything, you guys know that we got this motor completely tore down. I've actually made a change of plans. I will be sending this off to a machine shop locally to me. Now, one thing I do want to say, if you are planning on building your motor or if you're already building your motor, if it's going to be sent to a machine shop, make sure you send your front timing covers. This is both for KAs and for SRs. Make sure that if you are going to have them deck your surfaces, those are bolted up. So whenever they take off, you know, 1 thou, 2 thou, however much they end up taking off of the surface, it will take it off of your timing covers as well, because with the timing covers, if they're not installed when they do the surface, you're basically going to be 2 thou too tall or 3 thou too tall on your timing cover compared to the head and block surfaces. So keep that in mind. Now, I've spent a lot of time doing the body work of the vehicle, but when it comes to the interior, I haven't touched it too much for 2 reasons. The first reason being, I wasn't too worried about it. Obviously, it's not a big priority, but in the case of what this thing needs and what I want to do to it, carpet is going to be the first thing that we need to fix. And only having the one seat, I really don't like that. But reason number 2 is because the interior panels, trim, everything in these cars is either discontinued or whoever's selling it is selling it for a lot more than what it's supposed to be. That was gross. And I want to show you guys something that I seen as I was taking this out. Hold on. Who is having a water balloon fight in this car? What is going on here? I remember when I first got the car, there was a couple water balloons. There is a bunch more over here. And if you guys didn't notice, we went max low. This was not me. Cut out this entire support for the seat. I can either see if I can probably stitch in another piece that's similar to what was there prior, or just run it the way it is, because I am 6'1". It does help to have that extra room, but also at the same time, I don't like that. I don't like the interior of the car being cut up. We'll figure something out. We got the carpet out. Now it's time to get this completely cleaned up, at least as much as I can. The OEM sound deadening, I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I think what I'll probably end up doing is putting my own sound deadening just in there, getting the new carpet, which you guys gotta guess down in the comments, what color do you think I'm gonna go for carpet? The trim paneling and all that, I need to get that stuff ordered, get all that stuff coming so this thing can look like an actual car again and not a completely gutted 240 like the rest of them. I want this thing to be back to OEM, better than ever. pinballing, baby. Now we're gonna move to the cylinder head. If you guys remember, I talked about this in a video briefly. The exhaust, I had a pretty bad leak. It was cackling like a hyena. We're gonna get this thing purring like a kitten again. I'm going to extract that stud, and I'm not gonna extract it the way that you guys think or that would probably make the most sense. It's actually gonna be a way that I've learned to get them out quickly and be able to retain your threads without gumming them up, or if you're drilling through trying to do an extraction, you end up hitting the threads, or if you try to drill it out. There's a bunch of different ways that you could do this and come out with less ideal results. So this could be a learning video for you guys. It could be just pure entertainment, but we're gonna go ahead, get this all situated. I'm about to show you the art of getting the stud out without messing up the threads, without damaging the head, and being able to hear your engine purr like a kitten. All right, so right here you can see it's actually down in there pretty good ways, but I think I'll be able to get this no problem. And for some reason I thought there wasn't supposed to be a stud there. Don't ask me why, I do not know. Now that's what I was trying to get. Let's see how that worked. There we go. See, now it's freeing itself up. And there we go, just like that. Task number 2 completed on the day. Didn't get it the first time, had a couple failed attempts, but we at least got that stud out. I went on a rampage trying to find this other stud that came with that kit. Could not find it anywhere, so what I'm gonna end up doing, I'm just gonna order a brand new set. I'm gonna take all these studs out except for that one, obviously, for very obvious reasons. Make sure we're all good to go there, and you know, just get rid of that cackling hyena sound every time I started the engine. Back to a purring kitten, get rid of the cackling hyena. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and have a good day.